Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 6th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla, Palantir, Nvidia, Bitcoin, gold, silver from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. First, I would like to say hi to my dear friend Danielle. Salut Danielle. And also to Quang. We had a nice time yesterday on the one-on-one coaching. Let's start with Tesla. So Tesla is up $3.70. That's 1.70%. Closed at $221.31. Post-market, we seem to be up by $2. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We close at 221, so you know what this means. It means that we officially broke 217.65. Tesla has tried to break 217.65 since February of this year. It tried, it failed, tried again, and succeeded. So this is great. This should help Tesla go a little bit higher. This is fantastic. We are very happy. Our horizontal line is now a support. In terms of the bullish channel, it looks like we are getting also outside of our bullish channel because we are just going higher faster. If you take a look at the speed at which we are moving, we are going at this speed, pause a little bit, and now we are going very straight up. So extremely strong for Tesla. I don't think this is going to last forever, but we can just enjoy it while it lasts. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart briefly to understand how this is happening. The first hour of the day was not the best. We opened a little bit lower, then came lower than an intraday support at 213.20, but closed back up. And since that time, second hour was nice green candle, third hour, nice green candle. Then we paused a little bit, and now we seem to be going a little bit higher on the last hour. In terms of the indicators, everything is super great. So at 95, we had the MACD breakover. I remember this. We had the MACD breakover, but MACD is a very finicky indicator. As soon as there's a hint of a slowdown, it will show a bearish crossover. As soon as the stock goes down and then starts to stabilize, then you will see a bullish crossover. This is not the most reliable of indicator, but in terms of the crossover, when we have the two lines of MACD going above zero, then this means something good also. You see here, the two lines were below zero right here, and then the two lines started to be positive. And then look at the move that we have. We had this super great move right here. So this is why I still like MACD. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, I have introduced also a new bigger bullish channel. This is a bigger, broader bullish channel that we are in right now. We could be going a little bit further out of the bullish channel. We could be coming in, blah, blah, blah. But this is the resistance that we need to watch right now. This is the resistance that we need to watch on our way to this big downward resistance here that we have not crossed yet. If we do the intersection between the two, we could be seeing Tesla at 289 by July. This is something that's reasonable if we keep the same pace that we have right now. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So we have Panasonic that is going to add new battery production line at Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada. This will increase production by about 10%. This is great. We cannot be against that. Also, a big news, I think, is that Tesla is open to license autopilot and more to automakers following Ford deal. Elon has always mentioned that he wants to help all the other automakers build EVs and create the fast charging infrastructure and everything. And Elon has opened all of his patents and everything. Like that he's talking about licensing, so charging other automakers for the development of the autopilot. And this will give revenue to Tesla also. I think Tesla is really positioning itself to be the leader in the EV automakers. They are the leader right now, but I think that they could be the leader in the next 7 years, let's say. I think Tesla will extract the most profit out of EVs. Let's take a look at our beloved Palantir. So Palantir is also continuing up. So remember, we stayed 4 days at 1441. This had tremendous staying power. And we had a break at 1498. So 1498, we can call it 15, was a resistance, and we broke it yesterday. And now we are continuing. We tested it again, and we have a long wick at the bottom indicating that there's a buying pressure that is moving the stock up. And we are moving right along this resistance right here. When a stock moves on the resistance instead of moving on the support line, this is an indication that there's a lot of power. So fantastic. Let's ride this pony to the horizon. Let's look at Nvidia. So Nvidia is down $5.17, closed at 386.54. So we are really into this congestion zone. This is really what we are seeing after having gone close to this part here. We came to the support part. We tried to go up to the resistance again, but we basically stopped midways on there, and we are going down again. So again, check these two numbers at 366.03 and 374.71 if you want to get out of this. But this is not the time to buy anymore because we are in the congestion zone and we could be zigzagging for a while. The ex-dividend date is tomorrow. If people sell before tomorrow, they are going to be excluded for the dividend. This is just a 4-cent dividend. This is not much, but maybe we are going to see an impact tomorrow on this. Let's take a look at the VIX. This is absolutely fantastic. VIX is really dropping, so we are down 0.77. That's minus 5%. We are at 1395. This is absolutely incredible. So we are shattering a support that was at 1485, a support that was used in October of 2021. The next one, I have to draw a new support. So the new support is right here at 1409. At 1409. This is dropping like crazy. We can all rejoice. We can all rejoice. The stock market should be going up. The QQQ, so QQQ just a sideways day. We are still in this big bullish channel. This is continuing, so nothing to see here. Stochastic is super strong. In terms of Dow Jones, we are still in the pullback after the big move that we had last Friday. We have a green candle with a long wick at the bottom right here. This is great. S&P 500 is sideways day. A sideways day still along this bullish channel. I think I'm going to revise this bullish channel because we have a double support kind of thing for sure right here. And this is looking something like this. This is just so good. It's moving along. Nasdaq Composite, another green day. We are right smack in the middle of this bullish channel, going towards the resistance side of things. Physical gold, we don't have stochastic. This is just going sideways. It's possible that we resume our move up as we come along here to this support. So that's a possibility, but this remains to be seen. Silver stochastic is climbing a little bit. We have some higher lows, but as always, we should not believe this until we have a good stochastic. Bitcoin, look at this nice recovery for Bitcoin. We have gained back everything that we had lost yesterday. That's a sight for sore eyes. Ripple also recovering. We are still in this bullish channel. We still have a good stochastic. And US dollar looking more and more like it's in a congestion zone going sideways. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.